Your kitchen is about to level up. We found 25 genius Amazon gadgets that cut steps, boost flavor, and rescue your weeknights. From smarter prep and hands-off cooking to cleanup that takes seconds. Expect crunchy air fry wins, barista-worthy brews, and desserts on command. If you're ready to save time and reclaim counter space, hit like. Stick around for the countdown. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 25. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Perfect eggs without babysitting. Add water with the included cup, pierce, press the button, and walk away. Audible alert when done. Soft, medium, or hard-boiled plus poached and omelets in minutes. It's tiny, colorful, and ideal for snacks, salads, and meal prep. Peels easier, uses less energy than a pot, and won't hog the stove during brunch. For students, apartment cooks, and protein planners, this cheerful little unit earns its spot as an amazing, reliable everyday helper. Number 24. Fullstar, the original pro vegetable chopper. Chop nights in half, literally. Interchangeable stainless blades snap in to dice onions, slice cucumbers, or julienne peppers directly into the catch tray. The non-slip base and handguard keep fingers safe, and everything rinses clean or goes top rack dishwasher. Uniform cuts mean even cooking and prettier plates with zero knife skills required. If you meal prep or cook for a crowd, this is an amazing new gadget that trades tears and tedium for speed and consistency. Number 23. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Hands-free, stress-free. Set the opener on the can, press the button, and it circles on its own. No wrist strain, no sharp lid edges. It's clutch for arthritis sufferers, kids helping in the kitchen, or anyone who's done wrestling with manual openers. Compact storage, battery-powered, and reliable across standard can sizes. As a quality-of-life upgrade that quietly solves a daily annoyance, this earns amazing new kitchen gadget status the first time you press and walk away. Number 22. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. 2 hot breakfast sandwiches in about 5 minutes. Egg, cheese, protein, and muffin toasted all at once. The sliding egg plates cook and release cleanly, so you stack, lift, and serve with cafe-style results. It's portion-controlled, budget-friendly, and way faster than a drive-through line. Non-stick parts wipe down easily. For households juggling mornings, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that converts chaos into delicious routine and keeps you out the door on time. Number 21. COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE. Weeknight hero, countertop size. COSORI's 5-quart Pro LE pushes quick, even crisping for fries, wings, salmon, or roasted veg with less oil and faster preheat than an oven. The tempered glass touch panel is easy to read. Presets hit common recipes, and the square basket fits more than you expect. Non-stick parts make cleanup a non-event. If you're chasing speed, crunch, and portion-friendly cooking without heating the whole kitchen, this air fryer is a smart, amazing new daily driver. Number 20. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Greens that actually stay crisp. OXO's one-press pump rockets water out of lettuce, herbs, and berries, while the brake button stops the basket instantly for quicker plating. The clear bowl doubles as a serving piece, and the low-profile lid locks flat for stackable storage. Non-slip base keeps everything steady on wet countertops. If you meal prep, love composed salads, or hate soggy herbs, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that upgrades freshness and cuts drying time to seconds. Number 19. Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. Craving pints on demand? CREAMi spins rock-solid bases into super smooth ice cream. Sorbet, gelato, or light, dairy-free recipes in minutes. Prep the jar, freeze overnight, then re-spin for your perfect texture. Swap pucks for mix-ins without mess, and clean the parts in the dishwasher. It's a true weeknight dessert hack, consistent results, tiny footprint, and way cheaper than store-bought pints. For families, macro trackers, or treat-curious foodies, It's an amazing new kitchen gadget that makes desserts ridiculously easy. Number 18. ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. Walk away from the grill without anxiety. The TP20's dual probes track both meat and ambient pit temps from up to 500 feet, with presets for beef, poultry, and more. Big backlit screens, loud alarms, and no app required. Just pair and cook. It's clutch for smokers, roasters, and holiday turkeys when opening the lid means losing heat. As a reliability boost that saves juicy results, this earns amazing new kitchen gadget status for backyard and oven cooks alike. Number 17. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Countertop Powerhouse. Breville's Element IQ system drives convection where it's needed, so air fry gets real crunch, roast stays even, and dehydrating actually works. The XL cavity fits a 14-pound turkey or a 9x13 pan, replacing a wall of single-use appliances. Intuitive presets, interior light, and a smooth gliding rack make daily cooking feel premium. If you want restaurant-level crisp without heating the whole kitchen, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that earns permanent counter space. Number 16. KitchenAid Artisan Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer, Baking's Cheat Code. The iconic tilt head design locks in a 5-quart bowl for cookie dough, buttercream, bread, and whipped peaks without arm fatigue. 10 speeds stay smooth under load, and the Power Hub unlocks pasta, grinder, and spiralizer attachments for serious versatility. Cleanup's simple, with the included coded tools. For creators who bounce from sweets to savory, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget. Equal parts workhorse and centerpiece that upgrades results and keeps your workflow clean. Number 15. Ninja D. T251. Foodi 10-in-1. Smart XL Air Fry Oven. Sheet pan dinners, rotisserie-style roasts, bakery-level air fry. This does it all. True surround convection moves heat fast for even browning, and the smart thermometer pulls proteins right at target temp. The XL interior handles 2 sheet pans at once, so sides and mains finish together. Clear readouts and quick preheat make it weeknight proof. If you're chasing speed, capacity, and consistent crunch, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that replaces your oven for 90% of meals. Number 14. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. From rice and yogurt to pressure-cooked stews in under an hour, Duo Plus consolidates bulky appliances into one stainless workhorse. The updated display, guided programs, and keep warm logic reduce guesswork, while the 6-quart size handles family meals or batch prep. Sauté in the pot, lock the lid, and dinner basically runs itself. It's efficient, versatile, and countertop real estate well spent. An amazing new kitchen gadget that frees time and nails consistent results for busy home cooks. Number 13. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. Lose the cord, keep the control. This cordless immersion blender purees soups, whips smoothies, and emulsifies dressings anywhere, stovetop, sink, or patio. Variable speed triggers give you feather to full power instantly, while the pan-guarded bell avoids pot scratches. The rechargeable battery handles multiple blends per charge, and the blending arm detaches for quick rinse-offs. For quick batches and silky textures without hauling the blender jar, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget with true grab-and-go freedom. Number 12. KitchenAid Cordless 5-Cup Food Chopper. Prep where you want. This cordless chopper powers through onions, herbs, nuts, salsa, and pesto with 2 speeds and a handy drizzle basin for mayo-smooth emulsions. 5 cups is the sweet spot. Big enough for party dip, compact enough for small kitchens. The work bowl, blade, and lid are dishwasher safe, and the rechargeable pack keeps cords off the counter. For fast flavor with minimal cleanup, it's an amazing new kitchen gadget that makes everyday prep effortless. Number 11. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Cafe control at home. The Stagg EKG holds your exact temperature for pour-overs and tea with a precision spout and a counterbalanced handle that pours steady ribbons. The dial interface is dead simple, and the hold function keeps water ready while you grind. Quick heat, sleek silhouette, and a satisfying click on the base. Barista vibes, zero fuss. If you care about extraction and repeatable flavor, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that elevates every brew. Number 10. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Skip heavy bottles and fizz on demand. Terra's snap-in carbon dioxide system carbonates water in seconds. Then you flavor to taste. Zero cords, zero mess. The improved Quick Connect makes cylinder swaps effortless, and the textured grip keeps one-handed operation steady. Reusable bottles cut waste and fridge clutter while giving you cafe bubbly at home. For soda lovers, cocktail builders, and hydration hacks, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that saves money, space, and trips to the store, without sacrificing bubbles. Number 9. Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine. Bar quality drinks, no bartending degree. Drop in a Bartesian capsule, pick your strength, and the machine blends your spirits with fresh bitters, juices, and syrups for perfect classics every time. The touchscreen is foolproof. Reservoirs are removable for quick rinses, and the pour is consistent, party after party. It's cleaner than shaker chaos and faster than a crowded bar. For hosts who want impressive cocktails with zero guesswork, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that upgrades every gathering. Number 8. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Your beans deserve better. Uniform conical burrs protect flavor, delivering consistent grind sizes from fine espresso to chunky cold brew. A one-touch timer remembers your last setting, and the static fighting grounds bin keeps counters clean. The hopper locks for easy bean swaps, and the footprint is slim enough for daily use. If you chase repeatable extractions and smoother cups, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that tightens your coffee routine and makes every brew taste like an upgrade. Number 7. Etexity 22-pound waterproof rechargeable kitchen scale. Weigh like a pro. This sleek waterproof scale handles sourdough, sous vide, and large batch meal prep with 1 gram precision up to 22 pounds. A bright display, tear once workflow, and USB-C rechargeable battery make it a reliable daily tool. Spills? Rinse and keep going. For calorie tracking, pour-over ratios, and baking consistency, it's an amazing new kitchen gadget that removes guesswork, speeds prep, and keeps your recipes dialed in without chewing through disposable batteries. Number 6. Muller Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Silky soups without the blender jug. The Ultra Stick purees, whips, and blends right in the pot with an 8-speed dial and turbo burst when you need it. Stainless steel blades chew through hot veggies, while the detachable shaft rinses clean in seconds. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for smoothies, sauces, and baby food without extra cleanup. As a quick, versatile helper that lives in your drawer, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget you'll reach for every day. Number 5. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale. Pressure cooking, but smarter. Chef IQ's integrated scale weighs ingredients in the pot and auto-adjusts water and time, while guided recipes walk you step by step from sauté to steam release. The app handles firmware updates and remote monitoring, so dinner stays on track while you multitask. A powerful sear, precise temps, and steam clean program round it out. For tech-forward kitchens craving consistency and convenience, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that trims steps and nails results. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook Air Fryer. See your crisp happen. The Clear Cook window and interior light lets you watch fries, wings, and salmon go golden without opening the basket. Even crisp airflow delivers the crunch you want with less oil, while smart presets and a simple dial keep weeknights moving. The non-stick basket and tray lift out for an easy sink rinse. If you want fast, reliable crunch with fewer calories and zero preheat drama, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget for any counter. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender. Blend and go. The Pro 900 tears through frozen fruit, nuts, and seeds for ultra-smooth smoothies and sauces in seconds. Twist on a to-go lid, rinse the cup, and get moving. No bulky pitcher, no complicated cleanup. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for daily nutrition goals or quick meal prep purees. For small kitchens and busy mornings, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that delivers high-speed blends without the price or footprint of a full-size blender. Number 2. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor, Kitchen Horsepower. A heavy-duty motor, wide feed tube, and razor-sharp discs make short work of slicing, shredding, and doughs. Toss whole cucumbers, block cheese, or double pie crust. Steady, even results pour out the other side. The 14-cup bowl is big enough for party slaws and family sauces, and parts clean up quickly. When you need speed, volume, and uniform cuts, this is an amazing new kitchen gadget that turns marathon prep into a quick sprint. Number 1. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. Go from dessert sounds nice to 2 quarts of soft-serve bliss. The Deluxe doubles down with larger capacity, more presets, and creamicino slushies for cafe-style drinks at home. You can split flavors or run a respin to nail that premium scoop texture. Dishwasher-safe containers keep cleanup painless, and the control panel is totally beginner-friendly. If you want creativity, volume, and consistency, this is a legit upgrade and a standout, amazing new kitchen gadget for parties, meal prep, and late-night cravings. That wraps our 25 amazing kitchen gadgets for 2025. If one of these saves you time, tap like and tell me which number you're grabbing first. All product links are in the description and pinned comment. Subscribe for more smart finds, ring the bell so you never miss a drop, and share this with a friend who needs a kitchen upgrade. See you in the next one.